The new Dodge Charger Sixpack is here, and it's not just a car, it's a statement. A statement that muscle is still alive, raw power still matters, and performance can still make your heart race like nothing else. If you thought the Charger was just going to quietly bow out in the era of electric cars and hybrids, think again, because Dodge has delivered something that roars louder than ever. The Sixpack is Dodge's way of saying they aren't done, not by a long shot. They've taken everything you love about the Charger, its bold attitude, its unapologetic presence, and cranked it up to 11 with modern technology and engineering that makes this beast a true 21st century muscle car. Let's start with the most important part of any muscle car, the engine. Under the hood of the new Charger Sixpack, you'll find a twin-turbocharged inline-six Hurricane engine, an absolute masterpiece of modern engineering. Forget what you think you know about six-cylinder engines. This one is built to dominate. It's available in 2 power levels, the standard output making around 420 horsepower and the high-output version delivering a mind-blowing 550 horsepower. That's right, 550 horses packed into a lean, efficient, and incredibly responsive powerplant. Dodge designed this engine not just for brute force, but for precision and smoothness, making it the perfect balance of old-school aggression and new-school refinement. And the name Sixpack isn't just nostalgia, it's a nod to those 6 cylinders working in perfect harmony to deliver heart-pounding acceleration every time you hit the gas. Now let's talk about how all that power gets to the pavement. Dodge offers the new Charger Sixpack with an advanced all-wheel drive system to keep the car planted even when you unleash all that horsepower. This is huge for a muscle car because it means better traction, better stability, and incredible launches off the line. Imagine hitting the throttle and feeling that surge of power rocket you forward without a hint of wheel spin. That's what this system delivers. And for purists who love the feel of rear-wheel drive, Dodge still has you covered with configurations that stick to the classic formula, letting you light up those rear tires whenever you feel like leaving your mark on the asphalt. Performance isn't just about straight-line speed anymore, and Dodge knows that. The new Charger Sixpack has been engineered to handle like never before. The chassis has been completely reworked with a modern suspension setup that keeps the car planted through corners, giving you confidence whether you're cruising down the highway or carving up a twisty back road. Add in a near-perfect weight distribution and precise steering, and suddenly the Charger isn't just a muscle car. It's a true performance machine that can hang with the best of them in any scenario. Of course, it wouldn't be a Charger without a design that turns heads everywhere it goes. The new model takes the classic Charger DNA and evolves it into something futuristic yet unmistakably Dodge. Up front, you've got a bold, aggressive grille that looks like it's ready to devour anything in its path, flanked by sleek LED headlights that give the car a menacing stare. The hood features muscular sculpting with functional vents that aren't just for show. They help keep that powerful engine cool under heavy loads. Along the sides, the body lines flow aggressively toward the rear, emphasizing speed and strength, even when the car is standing still. And then there's the rear end, where you'll find that iconic full-width LED light bar, a modern tribute to Dodge heritage that lights up like a signature in the night. It's aggressive, it's modern, and it screams performance from every angle. Inside the cabin, Dodge has gone all out to make sure the Charger Sixpack feels as good as it looks. You're greeted by a driver-focused cockpit loaded with the latest technology, high-quality materials, and a sense of performance that makes you feel connected to the car at all times. Front and center is a massive infotainment screen powered by Dodge's Uconnect system, offering everything from navigation to performance data in crisp, clear graphics. The digital gauge cluster can be customized to show all the vital stats, including boost pressure, G forces, and even track times. And for those who love a visceral experience, there's a Performance Pages app that lets you monitor and tweak every aspect of the car's performance. The seats are bolstered to hold you in place during hard cornering, wrapped in premium materials that combine comfort with sporty style. And yes, there's still room for passengers in the back because Dodge knows muscle cars should be practical too. But let's not forget the sound. Dodge has always understood that a muscle car needs to sound like one. And even with a turbocharged six-cylinder under the hood, the Charger Sixpack delivers an exhaust note that's pure music to a gearhead's ears. It's deep, it's aggressive, and it reminds you with every throttle blip that this car means business. And thanks to active exhaust technology, you can adjust the sound from a refined growl to a full-on roar that'll make everyone on the street turn their heads. This is a car that doesn't just move, you feel it, you hear it, and it gets under your skin in the best possible way. Now, some might be asking, why didn't Dodge just stick with the legendary V8 Hemi? The answer is simple: times are changing and regulations are getting stricter, but Dodge wasn't about to compromise on performance. The Hurricane inline-six delivers the same kind of thrill, if not more, while being more efficient and better suited for the future of performance cars. It's proof that Dodge can innovate without losing what makes their cars special. And if you're worried that this is the end of an era, think of it as the start of a new one. One where muscle cars evolve but never lose their soul. Driving the new Charger Sixpack is an experience that's hard to put into words. The acceleration pins you to the seat, the steering responds with razor-sharp precision, and every input you make feels like an extension of yourself. Whether you're on a straight stretch of highway or attacking a series of curves, the car feels alive, eager, and ready to deliver pure adrenaline. And the best part, you can enjoy all of this with the modern conveniences you'd expect from a car in 2026. Advanced safety features, driver assist systems, and connectivity options that keep you in control and entertained. In a world that's rapidly moving toward quiet, soulless transportation, the Dodge Charger Sixpack is a breath of fresh air. It's a car that refuses to be tamed, a car that celebrates power, speed, and passion in every detail. It's not just a machine, it's an experience. A bold declaration that muscle isn't dead, it's just evolved. If you're a true enthusiast, this car isn't just something you want, it's something you need. Because once you get behind the wheel and feel what this beast can do, there's no going back. The new Dodge Charger Sixpack isn't just a car for today. It's a legend reborn for the future. So buckle up, because the muscle car revolution is here, and Dodge is leading the charge.